Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you how to link YouTube with TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to TikTok and then open your profile in the bottom right corner. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll down. And here we have Social. And we can connect Instagram with TikTok. And we can add YouTube with TikTok. We click Add YouTube. Then we click Continue. Here we need to select our account that we want to connect. If we have an existing account, we select it. If we don't have a working one, we'll add a new one. I choose mine. Next here, as you can see, it'll show up. It's added. And now we're refreshing the page, and we have YouTube here. Now I can click on the link and I'm automatically taken to my YouTube channel. That's how easy it is to link YouTube to TikTok. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.